Welcome back to another exciting video guys. In this video, I am going to show you how can you easily copy or clone your Lovable website to WordPress admin dashboard. As you can see, this is a real estate website I have created using Lovable, and this is the exact copy of this real estate website on my WordPress admin dashboard. Looks identical and easy to edit, right? So if you want to learn how can you clone or migrate Lovable website and copy it to WordPress, then make sure to watch this tutorial till the end. This Lovable copy or clone is completely editable using WordPress admin dashboard builders. Okay, you can change text, you can text images, you can modify colors and everything you want. Okay, this will work completely fine into WordPress ecosystem. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go to Lovable.dev, and this is my Lovable account. Let me scroll down, and after that let's click on the Sarah Luxuries lead. This is a real estate website I have created in my past videos, and I am going to copy this Lovable website to WordPress today. Okay, so let me open this into a new tab so that I can show you guys the website completely. So this is the website. You can see there is a nice social proof section, header, a CTA button with hero section and everything else. This is a website for a real estate agent, and we are going to migrate this to WordPress today. Okay, in order to migrate this, you will need to copy this simple prompt. I will put it into the description. So the prompt will be, please create a full single HTML and Tailwind CSS code for the entire landing page, including all the sections, and create a HTML file into the root folder to download the project. Okay, so let me put this prompt over here and hit enter after that, and it will generate the complete HTML code for us. Okay, we can either view it here, we can view the code, or we can review the website as well. So let me open the code over here. So this is the HTML and CSS code combined into a one single file. Okay, we can copy the codes from here, or we can simply click on the URL it gave to us. Okay, so it basically created an HTML page of this complete React website. Okay, as you can see, this is known as landing page.html. Okay, we can save this file easily on our computer, and we can then extract the code because it will be saved as HTML file. Okay, as the Lovable have instructed us to do the same, let me show you here. So here the Lovable instructed us the same to save and download the file to keep the codes to us. Okay, so we are creating a HTML version of this website first. So let me save the codes, let me save the file, and let me name it real estate demo. Okay, after that let me open this so that I can show you that we are running it on a local server now. Okay, so the website is running on the local server now. Okay, we can easily import or export this HTML file to wherever we want. So in order to create a WordPress migration out of it, a WordPress compatible code for it, we will go to Google AI Studio. After that you will need to copy and paste the another command I have given into my description. Okay, so this is the command that act as a world class senior WordPress developer and front-end designer, and I have a website design built with HTML and Tailwind CSS and convert it into Native Gutenberg Block. Okay, I have given the whole command over here. You just need to copy and paste this command, and after that you just need to attach the HTML file we just downloaded. Okay, so let me copy the command. Let's go to Google AI Studio and paste it there. After that, make sure to attach the HTML file we have just downloaded. Okay, so the idea is to convert this HTML website into native WordPress Gutenberg block, which we can simply copy and paste to our WordPress website. Okay, so it will give the complete WordPress conversion, a complete Gutenberg conversion of this website, which we can easily edit, customize, all for free without doing any kind of manual coding. Okay, so let's wait for it while the Google AI Studio is working. Great, so we have got the success message, and here is the code which is for the native WordPress Gutenberg blocks. Okay, we can simply click on copy block code and paste it into the WordPress. Okay, as you can see, it has mentioned that we need to copy and paste this into WordPress Code Editor. Okay, let me go to my WordPress, and after that let's create a page over here. Let's name it home. After that, click on publish button. Great. So our page has been created. Let's check this out. Okay, so this is the page into our WordPress. Okay, I am using Astra theme over here. Okay, so let's copy the block code over here. The code has been copied. Let's go to WordPress, and after that click on the three dots over here and click on code editor, and make sure to paste all the codes you copied. After that, make sure to go the three dots again at the top right and switch it to visual editor. Okay, and great. So our website has been imported over here. So this is the first prototype we can see over here. You can simply save this file. Great. Let's open it into new tab and verify if everything is correct. Okay. Okay, so the first prototype is looking promising, but it's not the exact copy of our original Lovable website. No issue. Okay, let's go to Google AI Studio again. Okay, after that, let's let it know that the website is not the complete copy of our Lovable website or codes we have provided. Okay, after that, let's put the website code again so that it can use it as a reference and give us the new updated code. Okay, so let's run it for a few minutes. So here is the updated code. Let's copy and paste it again into our code editor. Let's switch it to code editor. Let's replace the codes, and after that let's click on visual editor and save the website. Click on attempt recovery for any errors if you see, and it will be fixed. Great. So the website has been imported. Let's click on save button and let's preview the website. Okay, so this time it's looking better. Okay, we are very close to achieve our Lovable website design. No issue. It's looking almost identical with few errors. Let me take some screenshot to give to the Google AI Studio to fix the issues. Okay, blue color buttons are here because it might be conflicting with our Astra theme CSS. Okay, so not an issue. Let me create a screenshot of the complete website using Opera so that we can get it fixed. After that, I will suggest you guys to take the screenshot of your original website, so the Lovable website as well, so that it can have better reference point. Okay, so I will put a simple command that this is how the website is looking right now, and I am attaching the screenshot for you to fix it and make it completely similar to our original website. After that, attach the screenshot of your WordPress version, and make sure to also attach the screenshot of your original Lovable version, and this time I will be selecting the Gemini 3 Pro preview model. Okay, so that it will follow the commands more closely. Okay, it will take little bit more extra time, but it will run complete, it will give the better output. So I have attached the both files for our WordPress version and the original website. After that, let's hit enter, and it will run for a few minutes and give us the updated code again. So you can go back and forth, and you can just simply tell the Google AI Studio for the issues in your design. For example, I am letting it know to fix the blue color buttons on my design as well. So this is how it works. This is the how the complete workflow works, because if you don't get it right for the first time, then you can simply ask it to create the another variations, another generations, and you will get the right results. Okay, so let me copy the block code again. It has given us the updated codes here. So let me copy it, and let's go to our WordPress editor and paste the updated code over there. Okay, so let's go to our code editor. Let's replace the codes, and after that let's save the code and view our website. And great guys, this time it's looking completely consistent to our Lovable design. We have successfully migrated our Lovable website to WordPress. Okay, so this is our original Lovable website, and let me show you the WordPress version after that. This is our WordPress version. So it's looking completely identical. Great. In the next step, let's remove the header and the footer of our WordPress version so that it looks completely identical to our Lovable version. Okay, so let's go to our WordPress admin again. After that, click on the Astra settings and container layout to full width. After that, scroll down and click the sidebar to no sidebar. Okay, we will need to change these settings. After that, click on disable elements and make sure to disable the header and footer for this page. After that, click save on the settings and let's refresh our website and check this out. Great. So the header and footer have been successfully removed. We are just left with the title. So let's scroll up and let's switch to visual mode, and so that we can hide the title as well. Let me switch to the visual editor. After that, click on the eye icon to disable the title. Let's save and preview the page now. Let's refresh the page. And great, everything has been fixed and it's looking complete copy of our Lovable website now. And let me tell you that it's fully editable through WordPress admin dashboard. So this is the Lovable version we have, and this is the WordPress version website. Okay, they are looking completely same. Okay, so we have achieved our goal. So in the next step, let me tell you guys how you can edit this website. Okay, so let's go to WordPress admin dashboard, and after that click on edit any element. You can edit almost anything, whether it's images, it's text or anything else. So let me edit this text. Let's write trusted advisor in New York. Okay, so this is completely editable through WordPress Gutenberg blocks. We can increase or decrease the font sizes, we can change the colors, we can change the font family. Everything is in control and it's fully editable. Let's scroll down and edit this part as well, and this is for Miami Premier Luxury Real Estate banner, and let's change the button text to let's talk. Okay, great. Let's save the website, and after that let's preview and find out whether the changes has been reflected or not. As I can see, the text has been changed successfully. Okay, great. Let's scroll down and check the button now. Okay, we have changed the button text as well. Let's scroll down, and this is the text we have updated. Great, it's working completely fine. It means this website is completely editable using WordPress. Okay, so amazing guys, you can follow the same method to update any kind of images. Let me update the images as well. Let's save this image we have on our Lovable website. Okay, let's go to our WordPress version and let's go to page editor. After that, let's scroll up and click on this image, click on replace, upload the image we have just downloaded. So this is the image. Let's open this up, and great guys, the image has been replaced. Let's save the website. Let's refresh and check. Great, the image has been successfully updated. So this website is completely editable on WordPress. Okay, so I hope you have liked this tutorial so far. If you have liked this, make sure to like this video, comment on this and share it with your friends and family so that they can start their no code AI website development journey all for free. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.